Annie Lamott, the writer, said, "My mind is like a bad neighborhood. I try not to go there alone." Perfectionism. Perfectionism is basically thoughts. Thoughts that tell you that something's missing or that something's not enough. It's the glass half empty problem. And the problem with perfectionism is when you reach the thing that it tells you if you just get here you'll be fine, it moves out of reach. So it's not, you get there and you do that, all that it wants you to do, and the next thing you know, it's the next thing. So it's never something that can be satisfied. And in Buddhism, they talk about this is the nature of the mind. The nature of the mind, they call it the wanting mind. They also talk about it as the hungry ghost. The hungry ghost image is this ballooned out stomach of a kind of ghostly figure with a tiny little mouth, so that you can't get it in fast enough to fill it up. Does that ring a bell at all in terms of not being able to satisfy this voracious appetite that something in us is constantly pushing us to go for the next thing? And that's okay. It's great to be ambitious, and it's important to be ambitious, but we have to know how to not be at effect of that in such a way that we never are satisfied. The mind can just create havoc on us, constantly. So it's really worthwhile to learn how to manage the mind. Interesting, I saw an Oprah show on people that come into money really quick and who are, immediately rich, or they win the lottery or something, and 70% of them are poor within 2 years. And why is that 70% of the people who become millionaires are poor again within 2 years? It's because if you can't hold it, if you don't feel good about yourself and you feel guilty, it will just run right through you. So, working on your mind to have a friendly neighborhood in your mind is really important, because you can get all kinds of success, but if you feel that you don't deserve it, or if you're down on yourself, you'll find a way to self-sabotage and you'll slide backwards.